Hello everyone, my name is Bankole Olaosebikan Femi, professionally known as the Visas Guru. Yesterday we started a series on how to get your US visa with ease. This morning we'll be proceeding by talking about our B1, B2 that we already know that it means business or tourism. So this morning we'll be looking at possible steps that we'll be taking for us to actualize getting our US visa, our tourist visa, basically. So, what are the steps that we need to take? The first most important step that we need to take when it comes to getting our B1, B2 visa is for us to pay what we call MRV fee. MRV fee is the visa fee receipt used for US application, and it is being paid at GTB Bank. They are in partnership with the embassy. That is the only bank where you can pay your MRV fee. You do not need to go to the bank before you can pay this fee. If you are banking with GTB, then you can pay online directly, but you will need what we call a token. This is what a token looks like. You need this. So when you fill your form for US visa fee, then it will take you to where payment will be made. Then you press the button on this token, then you are able to pay for your MRV fee. Then the second most important step is what we call filling the DS-160 form. Filling the DS-160 form is pretty easy, it is direct, and it is simple. All you need to do is go online, then insert www.ustraveldocs.com/ng. Now, an interface will open up. In this interface, you will see complete your DS-160, schedule appointment, renew visa, and the rest of and other information. So what you need to do is click on complete my DS-160. When you click on complete my DS-160, another interface will open and you will see where you have country and you have a captcha code. All you need to do is you pick Nigeria, you select Nigeria as a country, then put in the captcha code that is there, then you see what we call, well, you will see start an application or retrieve an application. All you just need to do is start an application. Thank you. We will continue again tomorrow.